Challenge. Introducing the contenders, Apar Shakti Khurana and Shakti Mohan. We send them both a special Me Watchful Living Challenge gift box with a bunch of goodies and a set of fun challenges for them to perform. So let's see what they have to say about it.
Hi guys, I'm super excited today क्योंकि we have with us here the Me Watchful Living Challenge box.
तो Xiaomi India ने मुझे भेजा है Me Watchful Living Challenge.
And of course, I love challenges.
Guys, मेरा नाम अपार शक्ति है. I'm a dude. देखते हैं मुझमें अपार शक्ति है कि नहीं. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी कर ही देते हैं.
Let's take a look at what's in this cute box.
Oh, stress ball. Then there are some challenge cards.
I see some cards.
Okay, and now it is time for Me Watch Revolve Activ, the main event, guys. It is the most awaited smartwatch of the year. Are you ready for it?
Yay! I always wanted a smartwatch. So excited!
I am absolutely excited. Oh my god.
Looks really good.
First of all, let me get rid of this not so smart watch and
Wow!
मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो जाता हूँ अब. नाम चेंज कर लेता हूँ अपना. Now I'm अपार शक्ति स्मार्टर खुराना.
Alright, here we go guys. The setup took me 5 minutes and the Me Smartwatch Revolve Activ is ready!
Look at this. I've never seen such a smartwatch. यार इसके colors देखो यार. Such nice, bright and big display. And you know what? इसमें 100 तरह के faces आप change कर सकते हो. You just have to download this app. It's called Xiaomi Wear app. यार कई बार क्या हो जाता है ना, आप embarrassment की वजह से ना कहते हो कि यार मैं क्या मुंह लेकर जाऊंगा. भाई 100 मुंह है इसमें, कोई भी ले जाना. Beat that.
Okay, enough talk. Let's get to work. It's challenge time.
Okay, first up is match your new gear to your outfit.
And the Me team has sent me some really cool straps to choose from. So let's see.
I think I'm gonna go with tippy tab. What color you want?
Okay, I like this. Let's put it on.
One done. The meaner and greener Apar Shakti is here. Chak do phate. Next up.
I love this color, guys. Changing the strap was so much fun. It was so easy too. Guys, you call this a challenge? Come on. Bring on challenge number 2.
So really looking forward to challenge number 2. It says we all know how important SpO2 levels are.
Now you can measure it directly on your Me Watch Revolve Activ. Let's try it, guys. This is so true. We've just learned about SpO2 levels and this is incredible how a watch can do that. But before we measure it, we have to walk for about 3 to 4 minutes for accurate reading. So let's do that.
देखो हवा चल रही है, हम भी चल लेते हैं.
It's now time to check SpO2 levels.
Oh wow, 98% guys. That's absolutely fantastic.
98%! Yay! Guys, पहली बात 98% is absolutely healthy. हर चीज में 100 नंबर लाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
इतनी ज्यादा कमाल की ये एक्टिविटी इसमें मुझे पता लग गई है. बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, उंगली कर करके ना यार ऑक्सीमीटर में उंगली थक गई है यार.
तो हमारा चैलेंज नंबर 2 हुआ कंप्लीट. अब हम जाते हैं चैलेंज नंबर 3 की तरफ. Alright, challenge number 3. Dunk your hands in a bowl of ice.
Then keep them there for 30 seconds. जान ले लो बच्चे की. Okay.
Okay, let's just do it.
3, 2, 1. Okay. 10 seconds done. Oh. मेरे हाथ की कुल्फी जम चुकी है, but the smartwatch is still intact, guys. What a wow.
It's 5 ATM water resistant. No wonder it's absolutely fine.
चलो नेक्स्ट चैलेंज पे चलते हैं. ये तो कर दिया. Challenge number 4. Measure your VO2 max after skipping rope for 6 minutes.
Measure your VO2 max after 3 sets of 9 squats each.
All set to skip it. Not skip it, but skip it. By the way, यार playlist change कर देते हैं. मेरे फोन से attached है. Music change, guys. Here you go.
Guys, I'm sweating and how?
Oh, my VO2 max is 46 guys, how cool is that? Had a great cardio session. I'm sure आप जब running करने जाओगे, cycling करने जाओगे, all you need is this.
If you want some other type of cardio to get your heart pumping, then of course you can try running and jogging. And guess what? The watch actually comes with inbuilt GPS and GLONASS for that.
You don't need to carry your phone. You don't need an extra armband. इतना weight उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है. It will map your entire route. देखो आप किसके नक्शे कदम पे चल रहे हो ये तो नहीं बता पाएगी, लेकिन आपके कदम किस नक्शे पे चल रहे हैं ये बता देगी.
Challenge number 5. Put on your ghungroo and bust a move. Monitor your heart rate as you dance. Guys, finally some dancing. Now we are talking.
Monitor your heart rate by using the resistance band to perform one set of flies and one set of lateral raises for 1 minute each. चलिए तो फिर.
Okay, I am completely ready. But before we start dancing, let me check my heart rate. 75 beats per minute, guys. Okay, let's see how high it goes after dancing. Whoa! Oh my god, dancing always gets me like fully fired up. Now let me check what my heart rate is. 112 BPM!
It is at 129 now. How cool is that, guys?
That is insane workout, but of course another great way to work out and have fun is playing a sport.
This has 117 sports modes. How cool is that, yaar?
HIIT, yoga, triathlon, rowing, hiking, you name it. Alright, we had amazing fun. Let's move ahead.
Challenge number 6. Use the stress energy indicator as you go about your everyday activities. Do try to get some guided breathing in as well.
I love reading and I think I'm going to put on this scented candle and grab a book and just relax. I hate being disturbed when I'm reading. That's why I'm loving this feature to reject calls on the watch. Also, if I get a text message, I can just read it here on the display without hunting for my phone.
Yeah, so productivity काम पे top रहती है. Okay, so now let me check my stress levels. 45%, not bad. Okay then, I think some guided breathing will help. Let's do that. Wow, guys, this is so cool. You can actually relax your body and mind in just few minutes.
So just 5 minutes and I'm feeling fresher, so much more relaxed and calm.
Another feature which makes your life really easy is the Alexa enabled control. Alexa, what's the weather outside? 22 degrees Celsius, a thunderstorm expected. Thunderstorm तो बाकी स्मार्ट वॉचेस की लाइफ में आने वाला है.
Off the 7th challenge now.
So this one says get some rest, track your sleep and share your data the next day. Oh my god, what perfect timing for sleep challenge, yaar.
I think after dancing, sleeping is my passion.
मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो गई है, इसकी बैटरी खत्म नहीं होती है.
Thankfully, I don't have to spend any time at night charging this watch because it comes with 14-day battery life.
Okay, on that note, good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
I think I slept really well. Let's look at the data. I had 1 hour of deep sleep over 8.5 hour period.
Sleeping is not my favorite hobby, लेकिन ये पता लगाना important है कि deep sleep कितने time के लिए आपने किया. So thank you so much. And on that note, we are done with the challenges. Okay guys, that was such a fun challenge, fun and wholesome too. I don't think it would have been possible without the Mi Watch Revolve Activ, guys.
Now let me just recap all the features real quick. The Mi Watch Revolve Activ comes with 6 strap options, VO2 max, SpO2 monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor, 5 ATM water resistance, stress and energy indicator, sleep monitoring, and live Cube Health algorithm. And there's much more.
Alexa enabled control, music control, 117 sports modes, 110 plus watch faces, 14-day battery life, improved GPS GLONASS, alarms, app notifications, call reject, and so much more, guys. सांस चढ़ गया मुझे.
I guess it really stands for watchful living. You know, holistic living, not just lifting weights and running marathons, but also sleeping on time, relaxing your mind, and having an overall well-rounded and balanced lifestyle.
So catch hold of this uber cool smartwatch soon on me.com and Amazon. On that note, thank you so much everyone at Me India for sending this beautiful product, the Me Watch Revolve Activ.
Guys, I had such a great time doing this challenge. It was fun. I got to use this amazing product.
Take care, stay healthy. ऊपर वाला आप सबको अपार शक्ति दे.
Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Stay safe.
Looks like our challengers definitely had a lot of fun with the Me Watchful Living Challenge. You too can bring home the Me Watch Revolve Activ very soon. And before we go, here's a final look at every aspect of the new Me Watch Revolve Activ. Back to you, Sumit.
Alright, that looked super fun, and I think Shakti and Apar definitely made it look even more fun. So that was the Me Watch Revolve Activ for all of you guys. Let me call Manu back on your screen for this moment where he will be announcing the prices for these devices, and he will also tell you when and where you can buy these. Over to you, Manu.
Thank you so much, Sumit, Apar Shakti and Shakti Mohan. That was a great presentation and something that we haven't seen before. And now the time for big reveal, the prices of Me Watch Revolve Activ and Me 11 Lite. So let's start with the Me Watch Revolve Activ. It is being priced at only Rs 9,999. But hang on, we also have an early bird offer of 1,000 rupees, which means the effective price is going to be Rs 8,999. But hang on, one more thing. We also have an HDFC Bank offer of up to Rs 750 off, which means the effective price of Me Watch Revolve Activ is going to be Rs 8,249. Isn't that amazing? This watch goes on sale on me.com, Amazon, Me Home and other retail stores very soon.